but if I was 15 minutes late, my appointment would be canceled. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Compound. If you're new here, I'm Cass and this is the Compound. Today, as the title says, we're going to be going through a really cute maintenance day, how we go from this to this. So I'm gonna give y'all all the details, who I go to, prices, everything. If you're in Atlanta, this is where you should be going. This is who you need to be with, period. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on. I'm a new channel, but I'm a lit channel. So let's go ahead and get into it. Good morning, y'all. So I'm headed to my hair appointment. It's 8. My appointment's at 9, but it's in Atlanta and I just want to be safe. She got late fees. Y'all know how new age hairstylists be, so I'm not even gonna play with it. It is Friday, so happy Friday to ya. It may not be Friday when this vlog comes out, but the agenda for today, we have hair at 9, we have brows at 1, we have lashes at 3. So I will be taking y'all all day with me, and I'm super excited because I get so many questions about it. So let's get tea. I went to a lady named Jasmine Tyron and she just gave me a really nice silk press to my natural hair. Right now, as y'all know, I'm newly blonde again, and so we talked about health, things I could be doing to get my hair back healthy, treatments, DIYs, oils, all different type of stuff. So she was really helpful with that. Silk press is $75, but I also got a trim and a deep condition, so that brought it up to $95. But absolutely worth the money. Beautiful shop, champagne, everything a girl could want. So I definitely recommend her as well. I'm sitting right in front of So Amazing, which is where I get my brows done. Crazy enough, it's a lash place, but I don't get my lashes done from there. So I will show you all where I get my lashes done. So I'll show y'all where I get my lashes done, but I'm waiting on 1 o'clock. She don't really like cameras, so I'm gonna just show y'all what it looks like inside of So Amazing, because it's literally beautiful. Don't play with that girl, she is not one of them. Second stop of the day was brows, honey. I get my brows done by Erica at So Amazing Beauty Bar. I do get my eyebrows waxed. I used to get my eyebrows threaded heavy. I stopped getting my eyebrows threaded for the simple reason that shit hurt. It hurts. So I went back to waxing, and I got them waxed and tinted. So to get your eyebrows waxed and tinted, it's just $30. Ask for Erica. Last but not least was the lashes, honey. You cannot forget about the lashes. So I got my lashes done. I go to the same girl. Her name is Muffin. She's right by the stadium. She's right by where the Falcons play, the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Literally a walk from there. So if you're ever in Atlanta, definitely visiting for a concert or something, you should hit her up because her shop is right there. I got a fill-in today for $70. Not including tip, of course, but $70 for the service. The one thing I love about Muffin is she's super quick. 45 minutes, we out. There's a lot of different sets, a lot of different styles. So if you don't want your eyelashes so thick, like how I have mine, you can definitely get a classic set or a hybrid set. I just choose to get volume. So those were the 3 things maintenance-wise I did today. And I loved doing this type of vlog and letting y'all into where I go, all the secrets, all the hacks. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And as always, the next video is gonna be even more lit.